Hi friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Redmi A1 Plus versus Realme C30 with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Redmi A1 Plus has a 6.52 inches screen, while the Realme C30 has a 6.5 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Redmi A1 Plus comes with an IPSLCD display, while the Realme C30 also comes with an IPSLCD display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a HD Plus resolution. Redmi A1 Plus has a 269 pixels density, while the Realme C30 has 270 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both these phones equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Redmi A1 Plus has 88.9% and Realme C30 has 88.7%. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Redmi A1 Plus has 164.9 mm, while the Realme C30 has 164.1 mm. Redmi A1 Plus has 76.7 mm in the width, while the Realme C30 has 75.6 mm width. Redmi A1 Plus has 9.1 mm in the thickness, while the Realme C30 has 8.5 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, Redmi A1 Plus has 192 grams, while the Realme C30 has 182 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Redmi A1 Plus comes with 3 different colors, and the Realme C30 also comes with 3 different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Redmi A1 Plus has a dual camera setup, with an 8 megapixels primary lens and a VGA camera, while the Realme C30 has a single camera setup, with an 8 megapixels primary camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Redmi A1 Plus supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps, and the Realme C30 also supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Redmi A1 Plus comes with a 5 megapixels selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. And the Realme C30 also comes with a 5 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Redmi A1 Plus comes with a MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, while the Realme C30 comes with a Unisoc T612 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Redmi A1 Plus supports up to octa-core 2.0 GHz clock speed, while the Realme C30 supports up to octa-core 1.8 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Redmi A1 Plus comes with a PowerVR GPU, and the Realme C30 comes with a Mali G57 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Redmi A1 Plus comes with an Android Go based Android 12 operating system, while Realme C30 comes with Realme UI Go based Android 11 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Redmi A1 Plus comes with 2 variants, 2GB RAM with 32GB storage, and 3GB RAM with 32GB storage. And the Realme C30 also comes with 2 variants, 2GB RAM with 32GB storage, and 3GB RAM with 32GB storage. Both these phones comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Redmi A1 Plus has 5000 mAh, and in the Realme C30 also has 5000 mAh. Redmi A1 Plus supports up to 10 watts fast charge, and the Realme C30 also supports up to 10 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with a micro USB 2.0 port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones doesn't have a NFC support. The IR blaster is not even available on these two phones. Redmi A1 Plus and Realme C30, both phones doesn't support 5G network. Redmi A1 Plus comes with a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, while the Realme C30 doesn't comes with a fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an AnTuTu benchmark score comparison, Redmi A1 Plus has scored 51,697, while Realme C30 has scored 176,932. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Redmi A1 Plus, the 2GB 32GB variant is priced at 7,299 rupees, and 3GB 32GB variant is priced at 8,299 rupees. Realme C30, the 2GB 32GB variant is priced at 6,999 rupees, and 3GB 32GB variant is priced at 7,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.